Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to look into the single responsibility pattern. Single responsibility pattern or SRP is part of Solid. So first of all, let's look at the scene setup. I have a player and a simple camera, and to the player there is a script attached called character. Let's open it up. Now this script does not follow the SRP or the single responsibility pattern. So over here we have a character and some variables for its speed, health and collected items. And the problem with this script is that it is currently handling multiple things like taking damage, dying and collecting items. So this isn't following SRP. This script works, but it's hard to debug. It can lead to many errors and it will grow as we add more functionality to it. So how can we fix this? We can easily fix this by adding or applying SRP. So how can we do that? We'll break this script down into smaller classes. So let's get to it. So our first script is going to be the movement script for the character. Let's open this up. Let's drag this to the right. Now for the movement part, we need the character speed. Let's add it here. And next we need access to the update function. Like this. And this script now only handles the movement part of the player. Next, let's add another script called health. And this script will handle the health path. So we can take out the health variable from here, paste it here. We'll basically check in the update function that if the health is less than 20, then show some message. And if the health is less, then the player would die. So we have separated the health responsibility and added it in its separate class. And now the final responsibility is that of collecting items. So we'll create a new script, collectables, open it up and simply copy the on trigger enter part and paste it here. And let's add the collected items here. Let's close the character speed script. So effectively what we have done is we added the functionality to a different class. Now if there is an issue with the health of the player, we will simply look at the health class. If there is an issue with the collectibles, we'll look at the collectible class, and same goes for the movement. So this way it's easier to debug the code. Our code is separated, our classes are small. So this is the basics of a single responsibility pattern. And if you would like to read about this, then I have a blog written about this on Medium, and I'll share a link to this down in the description below. I hope you guys found this video educational and entertaining. I'll see you in the next one.